Weche mag mamoko wayudo kanyo ni jodak ka achiel kod jonyuol mago mabende wuok e alwora mano mar sikund sekondar ma Moi Girls gwenge mago ma Sindo ne jobago ng'anyo ka bende ne ginyiso ich wang' margi ka otenore kod okang' ma bende ne okaw kod duol mano mar TSC mar kelo japuonj maduong' kata principal manyien e sikundno. Jonyuolgo lieko ni principal ma okel manyien no, Mary Omwanda, nitiere kod kido mano mar siko timo marach e penj e sikunde mago ma otelie. Giko ni sikundno ne nitiere kod mean grade mano mar C- e penj maduong' mar KCSE.
We decry Teacher Service Commission for sending to our new national school a rejected principal who has been rejected from St. Monica Gitwamba Secondary School in Trans Nzoia to be the chief principal of this school. He has not even been a D1, D2, D3, D4, and even D5 chief principal. We are asking TSC, we are addressing TSC, Teacher Service Commission, to take our area not as a dumping ground for failed principals elsewhere.
Kane otelnegi kod Profesa Medo Msama, jonyuolgo ne owacho ni sikul mano mar Moi Girls Sindo no onge kod jalup principal kata deputy principal, gino mabende giwacho ni TSC owinjore olu mapiyo.
We are also concerned that our school for so many years we do not have substantive deputy principals. We are asking TSC to seriously send us 2 substantive deputies who are competent, qualified, and have track record for succeeding in making students go to university.
Negi medo ni principal manyien no hike sani to koro chal kagima osekalo 60 kendo ochiegni dhi e rutaya, gino mabende giwacho ni nyalo bedo achiedh nade e bero wechego mago mag somo e sikundno.
Supposed to retire in October 2026. And we are being sent another already retired principal to take over from a school that has been upgraded into a national level. This school, it is a common sense. Anybody who has attained the retirement may not be able to give the school the national status it has been upgraded to. And this is the community concern. Therefore, we are giving the Teacher Service Commission another 7 days notice to give us a principal and 2 substantive deputies.
Principals who still have energy, not a retired principal who has reached the age of 61. 61 principal should be playing with the grandchildren at his home area, not to be brought to Sindo Moi Girls National School.